So I have to tell you, I get really excited when really nice examples of steel cents come up at auction. They're probably one of the favorite coins out there in terms of an oddity that people love to gravitate towards, which makes these extremely popular in a varying degree of grades. To be absolutely honest, I've never sold more lower end, low grade steel cents than I have today. Okay, I'd say it's jumped up quite a bit in the last year or two. And this sale, it just is a testament to how popular these coins are. Now let's be clear, this particular coin, okay, any one of the three 1943 Lincoln steel cent dates are so widely produced. Okay, the U.S. Mint made millions of these coins, so there's plenty of them to go around. However, there's a grade that sells for a lot of money, and the Mint State 68 grade that you see here of this particular example that's sold on Great Collections this evening is a fantastic example that's free from any distracting marks. The population of Mint State 68 in a 1943 S Lincoln steel set at a Mint State 68, I think I just copied myself, but anyways, there's 79 examples. In terms of grading speak, that's a lot of coins. So for a coin like this to sell for just a shade over $3,500 is huge. It's a huge deal because it validates the popularity of not only the Lincoln Cent series, but this particular date. So whether it's a San Francisco Mint, a Denver Mint, or a Philadelphia Mint, they're all selling for pretty good money. As a matter of fact, another Mint State 68 1943P sold for over $1,100 this evening at the same time as this San Francisco example. So it's a really nice coin. From this photo right here, it is graded through PCGS. It's a Secure Plus, okay, so they handle it a little bit better. And it's also got a CAC green bean, okay, so it's extra certified for the grade, which gives it a little bit extra money for the seller. Okay, in this case, it's the auction house. But this is a truly marvelous example. If you guys want to take a look at it for yourself, it is auction number 608106. Again, these coins, when they come out, and I'll be honest with you, a lot of the higher end steel cents that I have come across are like the 67, 68 grades. You know, they're out there. A lot of people have kept these over the years as an oddity, and a lot of them are in really nice mint state shape. 68, again, it's a tough grade, but there's plenty of them. So for it to still sell in excess of $3,000 tells you a lot. Okay, it's not going away soon. The 80th example that grades out at 68 and maybe sold one day will still sell for over $3,000. It's really a good time to cherry pick these coins, well, whether it's through your dealer, the coin show circuit, or through collections, private collections that people sell. Anyways, I wanted to share this this highlight of the weekend. Again, it's a 1943P steel cent. It's a Lincoln wheat cent. Sold on Great Collections. It's again, marvelous coin. Sold for $3,505. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Search out this coin among many other millions of coins out there. And, if you like tonight's content, go ahead and hit the like button for me. Appreciate it as always. And subscribe Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow for more coin talk stuff. You guys will enjoy it. But you guys take care.